G'day guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna do a quick service to the Starlet. I got the fuel filter and just a quick oil change as well. So for the fuel filter, I just watched one of the Chris Fix's videos and seems pretty straightforward, but we'll see about that. Alright, something just fell down. I think it's a washer or something. So yeah, the thing that fell down is definitely a crush washer. I'm not too sure I have one of this size, so I'll have to check. If not, I'll try to reuse one. Seems okay, so. And as you can see, yeah, it's a bit dirty, so I think it was about time to change it. Recapping, fuel filter, I took it out yesterday from here. And first thing you need to do is turn on the car, remove the fuse, which is, if you got a Starlet, it's this one. There's two, but it's basically the big one. The engine stalls, so my understanding obviously is the fuel pump stops pumping fuel into the filter, and then when you remove it, obviously there's a little bit coming out. Starting from the top, there's not much. Just be careful, there's two crush washers in the screw on the top here. And then once we remove the bottom, it starts spilling out a little bit. So what I did is just use one of the spray can cap and just put it next to the tube and slowly start dropping the fuel into the cap, and then keep rotating the screw until it completely falls off. One of the simple dumbest thing you need to remember is this screw here on the bottom. Obviously you need to rotate it clockwise to take it off because it's upside down. Sometimes it's always good to remind that. And then yeah, there's the other two screws that keep the filter in, and just take them off, and here's the filter. Now we're gonna put the new one back in that I got here. The only thing to remember is there's flow here, so obviously fuel coming from the pump here and then flows through the filter and then out into the engine. So this is the only thing that you need to remember. In this case it's very easy because, well, even the screws, they wouldn't really stick into it if you put it upside down, and also the screws are different. We're gonna start from the bottom, and then the two nuts on the sides just to fix it to the bracket, and then the top. So here's the nut. I'm gonna put one crush washer on the top, then put it in and put one on the bottom. Alright, that should be it. Also gonna put back the sensor back into the air filter if you remove it, and then our fuse as well. Alright, and the last step, we're just gonna turn the ignition on a couple of times. So apparently build some pressure with a new fuel filter in. So up like that, leave it a couple seconds, and then back, up, a couple of seconds, and back. And now hopefully it will start. There you go. It's actually pretty straightforward once you know what to do. So hopefully this video helps you as well. Car's running fine, it's not exploding.